In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 niches, including the deleted designs. This is new from Flying Research. So if it's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 niches of the week, including the deleted designs. It's something which is new, and I just want to quickly talk about it because before this I was using the deleted designs from Merge Informer. So Flying Research has just released their own version of deleted design, so we're gonna dive into that and take a look at it. And without further ado guys, let's get right into it. The first niche for today is New Year's Eve. It's no news that New Year is arriving, quickly arriving, like a few days away. And if you haven't uploaded your designs at this point, I really don't know what you're waiting for. But I just want to quickly show you the top ranking New Year's designs or New Year's Eve designs. This search is coming directly from Amazon. So I have the two glasses here in gold, and it says Happy New Year. Avoid this one, of course, it's by Disney. Then this one. So some people often forget to upload to sweatshirts or even long sleeve shirts. So this one too is doing quite well. It's Prime, and we have this Christmas stroke New Year design. Then we have the elves. So those are the top ranking designs. I don't want to make this video long. Then we have these ones too. So we're gonna move over to niche number 2, which is the Black History Month. We have like 3,000 results. Well, is that all on the .com marketplace? That's pretty small. I was expecting to see like thousands of shirts. Anyway, we have Rosa Parks. This was really tiny. I can't really see it. Then we have these names. This is very being on a slippery slope. Martin, Harriet, Malcolm, they are the first names. Thurgood. Let me look at Thurgood. Thurgood. Thurgood Marshall College. So the name Thurgood is not trademark, guys. Wow, that is quite surprising. Anyway, we were on this one, so we have these top ranking shirts. Let's hurry up and move to the next niche for the day. This one says I am Black History, and we'll have other incredible designs here at the bottom. Anyway, so that was niche number 2, Black History Month. Niche number 3 is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So I decided to do this search on Flying Research itself, and it has this I Have a Dream. So that's why I was doing this. That's why I was doing the research for I Have a Dream, because I took a look at it. I was like, this I Have a Dream, I think it should be trademarked. So I did a search for it, and it is not yet trademarked. It has been filed. So let's I don't know what this la is. Anyway, this is a top ranking or best selling shirt by Fine Research in the niche Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So we still have this lie again and so many reviews. I really want to know what this is. So let's open in Amazon. Comma plus la Kamala Harris. Oh, Kamala Harris. Okay. That is quite delightful. I wasn't expecting it. Anyway, that's what it means. That's what the la means. We have this Black History and Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Those two niches are very huge. So you guys want to make designs on that as soon as possible, because it is in January. Let's take a look at it. It's in February. First day of Black History Month. Okay, first day of Black History Month is February. Then Martin Luther King Jr. Day is January. So you guys should take note of that. Let's see. Yep, down here. 17th January is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. All right, so that was it for the top niches in the Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So the next one is gonna be Valentine's Day shirt, guys. So Valentine's Day is February 14th. We all know that. So I have tons and tons of t-shirts, and don't forget to advertise if you can, because the competition is gonna be huge. Look at this, 60,000 for Valentine's Day shirt. It's a very huge niche. So you'll want to use ads if you want your design or your shirt on the first page. So on the first page we have this simple I choose you, or I choose you, like choose CHOOSEU. Then anyway, that is Star Wars, please avoid it. So I have these hearts here, and most of these shirts here are for trademarks. We have Star Wars and Disney. So then you have this one, is a Ignome. So you have peanuts here, please avoid them, guys. You have a simple Valentine's Day shirt here, just a cat with a heart. So we have the V is for video game, Valentine's Day. I've seen this design make a ton of sales. Yeah, there you go, 600 reviews. Yes, this design makes like a ton of sales every single year. Oh wow, this is a cute design, guys. Your heart is calling. If I were to make a design, let's see, has it sold? Sponsored. Is this a new design? Let's see. I want to research this design, guys. Are you interested in this design like I am? This is a very unique, cute design. So I'm guessing it's a new design. You see what they've done there? They've put it on all the other products. Like if you're interested in this design and you land on this page, you'll definitely want to purchase something else. Oh, this is awesome, guys. I like the design. Let's see, December 10th. There you go. So you see what they did there? They promoted it as soon as I see we're still in December and people have already started uploading their Valentine's Day shirts. That shows you how early they want to be in this niche. This is crazy. Anyway, so it's not too late. Someone already uploaded December 10th. Or in December 27th. We still have a few days to go. So as soon as they uploaded, they already promoted it. So this is a cute design, guys, and you see they priced it at 1307, making or attracting a potential customer. 1307 is the lowest, and anyone who is interested in purchasing a Valentine's Day shirt sees this unique design, they will want to purchase it with this low price, and it's advertised, so they're showing their design is showing on the first page. So that is what we should be doing. If you can't make a design like this, obviously use Vexels. Give them the link of this page, just copy it and paste it, and give them the link, and they're gonna make a shirt exactly like this, and you can take it and promote it. That was what I did. So if you want to do the same thing, the link to Vexels is in the description below. I will advise that you go for the lifetime plan because that's what I'm using. I wouldn't advise anyone to be paying monthly fees or yearly fees or anything of that sort. So let's go to the last niche. Yes, last niche is President's Day. Then after, I'm going to show you the deleted designs. So President's Day, February 221 results. Wow, that is pretty low, guys. What is that all? I'm sure that number is going to increase in the coming days. So this one says, all I want for Christmas is a new president. Let's go Brandon. This Let's Go Brandon niche, I don't think it is safe. I've done a lot of search. I've seen it even a deleted design for when I was searching on Merch Informer deleted designs. I saw it for Let's Go Brandon. So I wouldn't advise you entering writing anything that says Let's Go Brandon, guys. Although it's pulling in a lot of sales now, but in the future is pretty bleak for this Let's Go Brandon. So I wouldn't advise anyone to get into it. So if you don't like Trump, then probably won't like me, and I'm okay with that. So that's definitely a Trump supporter. Um, President's Day. I just knew that something related to Trump, like funny a meme or something, is gonna pop up. It says all I want for Christmas is a new president. All right, this is a Christmas design. So miss me yet? uh Red Bone Marcos. Anyway, let's take a look at other funny designs. 2022. This is the second time I'm saying this. If you guys know who this is, Peace Red or Bong Bong Marcos. Here again, Marcos 2022. So guys, I'm interested in this niche. BBM. I'm not really sure who this is. So if you guys know who this is, please let me know in the comment section below. Definitely people are making a ton of shit about him, and right here again the same thing. BBM is my president, Sarah is my vice. So I don't know who this is, and if you guys know, please let me know in the comment section below so I can get into this niche, because it's 3 shirts now on the first page for this niche. So I'm thinking it has a lot of relevance, which again guys, so I'm really interested in this niche, BBM and Sarah 2022. So guys, please let me know who this is. I'm interested in this niche. So I'm gonna move over to which is deleted design. So Flying Research just launched this deleted designs feature. It's pretty new, and I'm interested in checking it out, so we can check it out together. So it even shows you the date it was removed. This is quite different from all the other deleted designs that I've used, or deleted design tools that I've used. They just show you what has been deleted, but this one shows you like the date that it was deleted. So that's what I like. Then you can search like the year if you want to. Oh, this is just 2021 because it's starting this year. I'm sure maybe next year they're gonna have the 2022 tab. So for the past 12 months, since it started just like how many days ago, so this is pretty new. We'll be able to search for the past maybe 1 month or maybe weeks. That's what I'm assuming, but anyway, we're gonna see that in the coming weeks. Then you have the date range. For now you can't change that, and the advanced option, of course we can always change this. We can search in the US marketplace. We can search the product. Then we want to search for deleted designs or hoodies on KDP designs already. Anyway, I'm gonna take a look at this in the KDP video. Since we're doing merch video, I just want to like stick with the t-shirt. So the BSR, we're gonna leave everything like this, guys. And take a look at the deleted designs. So this one is in the German marketplace, US marketplace. Is this France? No, France is blue. This is I forgot what marketplace it is. Italian. Yeah, this is Italian marketplace. In US too. Vote. Why is this vote getting removed? So we can learn. Oh wow. Impeach Joe Biden here. Political designs too. Anyway, is my ATV okay? Third grade. A little dirt never hurt. I've seen this design. I'm sure this person just ripped off the best-selling design, because I've seen a design like this and they just re-uploaded it. Really, guys, really. Anyway, Yeah, I've seen a lot of this design getting removed. I really don't know why. uh so this one's to this evolution. I've seen a ton of designs getting sales, so I really don't know why this one is getting removed. The bird watcher, obviously, is it the Godfather? Yes, I can easily see that. So guys, please avoid movies if you can. I know some people make a ton of sales from focusing on uh, quotes from movies, but it's really a slippery slope. I don't do that. So I might take it from someone whose account has been deleted um, once. I really don't want to do anything that's going to jeopardize my account. And you guys shouldn't do the same, because I tell you, it wasn't easy getting another account. So ever since then, I've learned my lesson. Anyway, I didn't even know what I was doing at that time. So um, now that I know, I'm telling you to avoid it. It's not really worth it, guys. The time you spend on an account, then it gets deleted, and you have to stand back from tier 10. Wow, that was just sad. Anyway, these are the deleted designs. I don't want to make this video too long. If you have fine research, or if you're interested in it, you can use the code. You can use the link in the description and use the code MondayOnline20 for a 20% discount. If you click the link already has the 20% discount attached to it. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.